Hey guys, welcome to Loc Life with Lola Classic. So today I'm going to be showing you how I maintain my locks. I have started locks and I am 6 months in. So I'm just actually looking at my locks and how far it has grown, the length, and how it's getting fuller and thicker. It used to be very light before. Now I am loving how it looks. So firstly, I start with water. So I mixed water and rosemary water in this. So I spray this on my hair, every portion, every side. I take them like portions to different portions and just spray all around. You need to hydrate your hair just like the way you take water in. Your hair also needs water too. So I just do this process all around and make sure like I feel the depth of the water in the hair. And after that, yeah, I'm still like spreading it because I don't feel like the water has actually even penetrated the air well. So after that, I make sure I separate my hair, feel the hair, and then I spray hair serum. So this hair serum have like some ingredients in it, like castor oil, like avocado oil, just a mixture of oils, and I've been using it for like since when I started my locks. I think it's about the third bottle. Anytime I spray it on my hair, it has this mint feel to it. I feel so cool and chilled. So it actually protects my hair from anything like lice or any other things that happen to hair. I advise it. I recommend it for anyone who has locks to get that in Nigeria. It's about I think 1,300 naira. It's not that expensive. So this is me massaging the oil to my scalp, making sure it penetrates the scalp. Like your hair needs some good massage. And yikes, I am putting my the front side of my hair too, and like massaging too, because hair has to grow there too. So that's me doing it, making sure I massage my scalp. And when you do this, this is so like relieving. Like it's so nice. So the next thing I do is to spray these spritz right on my. I don't do this all the time. I can just spray this on my hair just once a week anytime I go through this process. Just once. So I have not done that this week, and this is me doing it because I don't like too much product on my hair. Just little spray, like about 4 puffs around the hair, and that's just it. We're good. Next is this argan oil sheen spray. You can use any oil sheen actually. So I am someone that really like my hair to shine. I like it when my hair is shining, so that's why I'm spraying oil sheen. It's not a necessary thing for you to do. You can just stop at the hair oil for you, but for me, I like a little bit of shine on my head, so I spray the oil sheen. And I don't do this all the time. I do this like 3 times in a week, so that I don't have product build up and I don't start to itch my scalp because of too much oils. Yeah, this is just me trying to make sure everything looks good. You can see the difference. If you go back to the beginning of the video, you see the difference. So this is me trying to style my locks now, and I'm about to pack it in a bun. I got this from a lady on my WhatsApp. So I got them from her since I know I was going to need them for styling my starter locks because they're quite small. I can't use my big crochet scrunchies yet, so this is what I use. I made sure I select a color that suits my clothing. This kind of goes right. So this is me packing a style. So I know I need to create a video on how to style your starter locks, different kind of styles you can do with your starter locks. I would do that video for you guys. So after that, I go in with the molding gel wax. So I got this. I never knew what it was for when I started my locks. It's like for retwisting, but I do not use the comb method or palm rolling method for my twisting. I do the interlock. So I decided to use it for my edges, like air wax for my edges. That's what I've been using it for ever since it's of no use to me. Yeah, so for everyone asking, my locks is actually the interlock method, and I love it interlocked because I love to wash my hair regularly and I don't want my locks losing. So this is me going in with the wax spread it around my brush, and then just like, I am not really still good with the edges, but I try my best as long as it looks good. You see me taking my time. I am not perfect with this yet, but I actually try to just make sure the hair looks nice and beautiful. um just a little touches, and yikes, I guess I'm about to be done. Okay, so I think I am done with this. I'm still trying to set it. Oh gosh, I will learn. So this is me making sure I'm picking the edges of the other side of the hair too, just to give it like a nice look, as you can see. So to everyone that says that locks is low maintenance, anytime I hear that, I just laugh, because you need to put your time into this. It's something that you need to be intentional about. So this is me wanting to add an extra accessory that my younger sister gave me for Christmas. She gave me as a Christmas gift, and she was like, I got it for you because I want you to use it to style your locks. So my sisters know how I am so intentional about my locks, and yikes, I really do appreciate this gift. I make sure anytime I style my hair, I make sure this gift is all my hair, this accessory. I really do love it, and plus it's silver. So that's just it. This is how I style my locks. Like, you don't have to always hold your locks every day, but make sure you spray your locks every day. And yikes, that's all for now. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you can know anytime I post a video. And this is the Your Loc Life with Lola Classic. Bye for now.